Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a ball joint on a Honda Civic. First, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the front wheel to access the suspension components. You'll need a good quality ball joint press kit, a ratchet, sockets, and a torque wrench. Having these tools ready makes the process much smoother and safer. Remember to always work on a stable surface. Now, let's get that old ball joint out. Start by removing the cotter pin and then the castle nut from the bottom of the ball joint stud. You might need a breaker bar for stubborn nuts. Next, use a ball joint separator tool or a specialized fork to carefully pry the ball joint free from the steering knuckle. Be gentle to avoid damaging other suspension parts. Once it's loose, you can fully remove the old ball joint. With the old one out, it's time for the new ball joint. First, clean the bore in the steering knuckle where the new joint will sit. Apply a thin layer of grease to help with installation. Using your ball joint press, carefully press the new ball joint into place. Make sure it's perfectly aligned and goes in straight. Take your time here. Proper seating is crucial for longevity and safety. Now, reassemble everything. Connect the steering knuckle to the new ball joint, then thread on the castle nut and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually around 40 to 50 foot-pounds. Don't forget to insert a new cotter pin through the nut and stud to prevent it from loosening. Double-check all fasteners, reinstall your wheel, and lower the car. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. A wheel alignment is highly recommended after this repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.